I'm having problems with vertigo, and what foods should I eat? This is a question I commonly get asked, and I want to go through it today with you. So, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and I'm a chiropractor that has helped people over the last 20 years, to remove the blockages from their health without drugs and surgery to live the life that they wished. Vertigo is a common challenge that I see in my practice because we've had just outstanding results with it, and helping people to get over it in the short term, but also make sure it never comes back again. And for vertigo sufferers, that's a common thing that happens. The reason that the foods you put in are so relevant and important to having vertigo issues is because vertigo is typically an overall cumulative stress issue. So we've got to understand what foods we need to remove to help bring down the overall stress levels so our body can get back to normal and regular function. The best foods I wind up finding for that wind up being foods that are powerfully antioxidant, powerfully nutritionally dense, and are ultra clear and clean of contaminants, herbicides, pesticides, and bacteria. So I love to see people getting into foods like ginger with ginger and turmeric on them. I love to see people eating and consuming fresh fruits and vegetables. I love to see people consuming clean proteins. These are going to wind up giving your bodies the nutrients they need with the easiest cleanse, so that they wind up being able to put them right in their body and putting the least toxic burden on the body, so that the body can flush out all other chemical stresses that may be raising their overall chemical stress load. Additionally, you've got to be sure to drink plenty of water. Good, clean water. Not water with lemon, not water with tea, not water with coffee, but water. At least you want to work up to half of your body weight in fluid ounces of water. If you want to learn more about that and the best ways, check out my video here. If you've got more questions on the foods to eat related to managing your vertigo and getting out of the spins and keeping away from them, go ahead and write your questions down below. I'll do my best to answer them, and if I can't here, I'll look to connect with you on a discovery call. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.